Hello students, welcome back to Kartikesh Academy. See, this is the fourth chapter of NCERT class number 7th. The topic is gender. So basically gender inequality. So he's trying to explain how the prejudices about male and females or girl and boys in the society. So he's trying to explain what kind of discrimination between the male and female, especially inequality between the male and female. So in this chapter, he's trying to explain those things. So if you see that growing up as boys and girls images, you can see that. So being a boy or girl is an important part of one's identity. The society grow up in teaches us what kind of behavior they acceptable for girls and boys, and what boys and girls can do, cannot. So basically this topic is talking about so the roles of women plays and what they do are usual value less than the roles of men play, and the work today. That means that is, but the society looks like that the male workers or male members will do more work than the female workers, especially the females work on the domestic works which is not recognizable in the society. This chapter will also examine how the inequalities between the men and women emerges in the area of work. So growing up in the Samoa in 1920s, so there is what kind of example it is, and this is one example here, and second example in Madhya Pradesh in 1960. So basically the boys and girls went to separate schools in class 6 onwards. You can see that in Madhya Pradesh. This is not important, this is okay. So the girls school was designed very different from the boys school, and they had a central courtyard where they played in the total seclusion and safety from the outside. That means the boys and girls used to be separated even at the grounds also. The boys in a different ground and the girls are different ground, even the schools are differented. So they're trying to be they show that the girls always went in groups, perhaps because they also carried fears of being teased or attacked. So this is it is explained about the differences between the boys and girls, and the same thing he explained again and again. So men and women do not have the same status. The men has an upper status than the compared with women. So my mother does not work. He's trying to explain some important images here. So my dear students, just read once. No need to write a notes about these words, and no need to make set a notes about this NCERT. Just a glance of NCERT is important. The first reading, and I'm repeating it. Just go ahead. Don't worry. Right, valuing housework. Across the world, the main responsibility of housework and caregiving tasks like looking after the family, especially children, elderly and sick members, lies with the women. So that means the both the male and female, when they're living in the family, if you look at the caregiving task like caring of children, elderly and sick members, so it lies on the shoulders of the women, and it simply says that there is no salary paid for this work. It seems to be like a domestic work only. So naturally the women has been given less priority when compared with male members. So therefore it does not have to be paid for, and the society devalues this work. Next, the lives of domestic workers. He is trying to explain about hermit mothers was not only the who did the housework, but also work done by the other domestic helper. So in this topic he is trying to explain important word. In fact, what we commonly term as a housework actually involves in many different tasks. A number of these tasks require heavy physical work. In both rural and urban areas, women and girls have to fetch water. In rural areas, women and girls carry heavy head loads of firewood. So tasks like washing clothes, cleaning, sweeping and picking up loads require bending and lifting and carrying. So many chores like cooking involve standing for long hours. So basically these domestic works are not recognized in the society, though they are very important for daily works, but they are not paid at. So because of this, the lot of manual works are wasting. If you see that India having more than 130 crores of population, about 50% women and 50% men, but the 50% of the men are working and remaining 50% of the women is not working. So in this scenario, it is important that it should be the duty of the government to give respect and to provide certain opportunities for the household workers like women to provide another type of works to do at home. The work women do tenderness and physically demanding words and we are normally associated with them. Another aspect of housework was caring giving that it did not recognize what is very time consuming, right sir? సో జస్ట్ అంత ఇంపార్టెంట్గా ఏమి ఉండదు, జస్ట్ ఒకసారి చదవండి. మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటి అంటే మేల్ అండ్ ఫీమేల్ వర్కర్స్ని మనం చదివేటప్పుడు మేల్ మెంబర్స్కి సొసైటీలో ఎక్కువ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది, ఫీమేల్కి రెస్పెక్ట్ ఉండడం లేదు. అలాగే హౌస్ హోల్డ్ డొమెస్టిక్ వర్క్స్కి పే చేయట్లేదు. కాబట్టి చాలా వరకు వీళ్ళ యొక్క వర్కింగ్ అవర్స్ అంతా కూడా వేస్ట్ అయిపోతున్నాయి అని చెప్తున్నాడు అంతే. ఓకే సార్, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ విమెన్ వర్క్ అండ్ ఈక్వాలిటీ, సేమ్ టాపిక్ ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఒకవేళ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఉంటే మాత్రం నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, మీరు ఒకసారి చదువుతారంతే, దీంట్లో అంత టఫ్నెస్ ఏం మీకు కనిపించదు. So this naturally has an impact on whether the girls can attend the school. It determines whether women can work outside the house and what kind of jobs and cares about careers they can have. The government has also set up Anganwadis and childcare centers in several villages in the country. The government has passed the laws that make it mandatory for organizations that have more than 30% employees. Very very important sir, ఇది ఇక్కడ ఒకసారి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. So 30% women employees to provide the creative facilities. This provisions of helps many women to take an employment outside the home. But this is not happening sir. Only 10 to 15% of the women employees are getting facilities, but remaining are not getting. So ఇది ఒకసారి మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. రైట్, ఇంక ఇమేజ్ ఏం లేదు. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఒక మదర్ ఇమేజ్ చూసినట్లయితే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్స్ చేస్తున్నారు, బేబీని క్యారీ చేయడము, హౌస్ హోల్డ్ వర్క్స్, స్వీపింగ్, ఫుడ్ అన్నీ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఇది ఒకసారి మీరు చదవచ్చు. చాలా చిన్న టాపిక్, దీని మీద మనం జెండర్ డిస్పారిటీస్ అని ఒక 10 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ మనం చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. రైట్, సో డీవాల్యూడ్, కేర్ గివింగ్, డబుల్ బర్డెన్, ఐడెంటిటీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.